This video tutorial shows you how to link the Rhino app to your HMRC account. If you've configured the app for the bridging feature, then you will just have this menu option up here, which is MTD VAT. If, on the other hand, you've configured it to use our invoicing and expenses, you may need to click on this menu, so it takes you to the same screen. So the process for connecting to your Making Tax Digital account, it's the same, whether you're using the record keeping feature, which is invoicing and expenses, or whether you're just wishing to upload your spreadsheet. So to keep things simple, I'm just going to switch back to the bridging feature. The first thing I need to do is I need to enter in my VAT number. Then you select what VAT scheme you're on, and it's going to be accruals, cash accounting, or flat rate. We're currently on the accrual scheme. And then we click on Connect. When you click on the Connect button, it takes you to the HMRC website. So I'm just going to get rid of some of this up here, so it's nice and simple. And it's prompting me, do you want to let the Federation of Small Business Making Tax Digital app change your VAT information and view your VAT information? This is standard for all Making Tax Digital products. So I click on Continue. Then I sign into the government gateway. Then I'll need to input my user information. So just a quick note on this screen. It's really important that you enter in the correct government gateway ID and password that have access to your actual VAT account. So I'm just going to continue and log in. Once you've successfully logged in, HMRC will ask you to give our app permission to interact with your VAT account, and all you've got to do is click permission. You can see that the app is connected correctly because we can see the VAT number. It'll automatically tell you if you owe HMRC any money, it'll tell you when you need to pay them, and it'll also download all of your previous VAT submissions that you've made to HMRC. You can also see the next VAT submission that you need to make, and you can just do that by clicking on Make Submission. So the process for connecting Rhino to your Making Tax Digital account should take you less than 2 minutes. The process for making the actual submission, we'll cover that in a separate video.